This is just flat out nasty. Behold the baby. Learning about saliva and its bodily functions. Making a puddle. He's been going at this for about 5 minutes. He's just making a puddle on my piano. Neither a mating call or a warrior yell. This thing he's doing is basically disgusting. Good Bubs! Good Bubs! Look at what you've done to my piano! You're the best roadie a man can have.